The real estate sector is often considered one of the most profitable businesses for several compelling reasons. Firstly, real estate has a historically proven track record of appreciating in value over time, providing investors with the potential for substantial returns on their initial investment. This appreciation is influenced by various factors, including economic growth, population trends, and development in surrounding areas. Additionally, real estate offers multiple streams of income, such as rental yields for property owners. The demand for housing and commercial spaces remains relatively constant, ensuring a consistent revenue stream for landlords. Furthermore, real estate investments provide a hedge against inflation, as property values and rental income tend to rise with the cost of living. The leverage potential in real estate is another factor contributing to its profitability. Investors can use borrowed funds to amplify their returns, magnifying profits when property values increase. Tax benefits, such as deductions for mortgage interest and property taxes, add another layer of financial advantage. Moreover, the versatility of real estate investments allows for diverse portfolios, encompassing residential, commercial, and industrial properties. While the market may experience fluctuations, the long-term trend has been one of growth, attracting investors seeking stability and wealth accumulation. Despite the inherent risks, the strategic management of real estate assets has proven to be a lucrative venture for those who navigate the market wisely.